In front of me is HMD Skyline, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher next to Clipboard at the top right corner to activate it. And go back to standard keyboard thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Now to use Clipboard you need to copy or cut any text. And to paste it right away, click on it next to Clipboard icon at the top of your keyboard. If you want to paste it later on, click on Clipboard icon here and tap on your text. To pin it, use this pen at the top right corner, click on your sentence and use pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To get rid of one of your added sentences, use the same pen, tap on the chosen one and use pin icon next to the pin one. Lastly, to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!